In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Facebook groups notifications. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the constant influx of notifications from your groups and wondered how to take control of them, you're in the right place. Managing these alerts can help you focus on the updates that truly matter to you, and I'm here to guide you through this simple process. First, let's start by navigating to Facebook. Open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Once you're there, make sure that you're logged into your account. If not, enter your login credentials to proceed. Once you're on your home page, look towards the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll find a menu with several options. Click on the one labeled Groupses. This will take you to the Groups section where all the groups you're a part of are listed. Now, take a moment to locate the specific group whose notifications you want to manage. Scroll through your list of groups, and once you find it, click on the group name. This will open the group's main page where you can see all the posts and discussions happening within that community. Next, let's focus on the top right corner of the group page. You'll notice there are 3 dots next to the search icon. These 3 dots represent the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on them. A drop-down menu will appear, offering a variety of choices. From this menu, select Manage Notifications. This is the section where you can customize how and when you receive notifications for this particular group. You'll be presented with several options, including All Posts, Highlights, Friends Posts, and Off. If you want to stay updated with everything happening in the group, choose All Posts. This option will notify you of every single post made within the group. Alternatively, if you prefer to only receive updates on major activities, Highlights might be the better choice. This option will send you notifications about posts that are gaining traction or are particularly popular. If you're more interested in what your friends are contributing, select Friends Posts, which will notify you only when your friends post in the group. Lastly, if you need a break from notifications altogether, select Off to stop all notifications from this group. Remember, you can always come back and adjust these settings depending on how your preferences change over time. Managing your notifications effectively can significantly enhance your Facebook experience, allowing you to engage with content that truly matters to you without being overwhelmed by unnecessary updates. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to manage your Facebook group's notifications. Feel free to explore these settings and find the perfect balance that suits your needs. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.